Before we start with the session, I would like to give a small introduction about Story Mirror. Story
How?
Mirror is India's
Okay.
uh,
Shit, man.
Story Mirror is. Please keep yourself on mute, everyone. Okay. Story Mirror is India's fastest growing multilingual community of readers and writers with 7 million plus readers, 6 lakh plus stories and poems, and 1 lakh plus writers who have written more than 400 million words in 10 different languages. It has also published 550 plus physical books and 3000 plus ebooks across various genres and languages, out of which 25 plus books have been national bestsellers. We had the privilege of our books being launched by Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, Mr. Subhash Ghai, Mr. Ramchandra Guha, Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, Honorable Prime Minister of Mauritius, Honorable CM of Gujarat, Honorable CM of Uttarakhand, Dr. Kiran Bedi, Indian Ocean Band, Mr. Leslie Lewis, late Mr. Tom Alter, to name a few. With time, Story Mirror has emerged as the most reliable, innovative, and flexible publishing platform for writers who are looking to publish their books and reach millions of readers. Please keep yourself on mute, everyone.
Amit ji, if you can put yourself on mute, it will be really helpful. Amit Gupta ji, if you can put yourself on mute.
बताया ना अपने बॉडी का लेवल तो
अमित जी, प्लीज आप अपने आप को म्यूट कर दीजिए. Thank you so much, Amit ji. Okay. Uh, So, like I mentioned, with time, Story Mirror has emerged as the most reliable, innovative, and flexible publishing platform for writers who are looking to publish their books and reach millions of readers. It carries a very noble mission to catalog every human story and thus its vision statement: 7 billion people, 7 billion stories, one platform. We also have with us another distinguished speaker who will moderate the event, Mr. Vibhu Datta Roth, founder and CEO of Story Mirror. Before founding Story Mirror, Mr. Vibhu has experience of over 17 years in corporate life, which include rich experiences from Barclays, UBS, Citi, and Credit Suisse. A voracious reader and art lover, he dreams of building the biggest repository of creativity on one single platform. With no further delay, I would like to hand it over to you, Vibhu sir, to start the session.
Okay, thank you, Shreya. And I like Shreya has requested everyone. If you can put yourself on mute, it will be really helpful. Aniket Kirtiwar ji, can you put yourself on mute?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so because there is some background noise, and we all believe, we at Story Mirror believe strongly our authors are an incarnation of God, because God cannot give all those messages to everyone. So they have created the concept of authors. So through authors, we connect that to masses. So I would request all the authors out here, if I can have the glimpses of you, if you can switch on camera, it will be really helpful, so that I am not talking to strangers. Probably I am talking to humans. Yes, now I can see Sasikant sir. I can see सुहादीप बंदोपाध्याय जी. उमा मैम आपको और आपके बच्चे को भी देख पा रहे, तो अच्छा लगता है कि बच्चे लोग भी पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं.
Thank you, sir.
Where they are also aiming to learn something interesting. And
Thank you, sir.
Hermosa Amiga, it is a new name for me. It is for the first time I am hearing this name. I could not hear you. In case you are saying, you should. Hermosa ji, you are saying something we could not hear. Yes. Okay. Vishwanath sir bhi aage. Syamal Sinha ji aage. And yes. Then we have got 40 participants today. Like it's a big number. I would say that when We have Sunday sessions, particularly in 12 hours, where everybody is busy or probably thinking about preparing for their lunch. You guys are here. So that speaks that all of you are interested in getting your book published, or at least you are interested in knowing the process. So this is a part of series of programs that StoryMirror conducts. It is a since most of you know by now that StoryMirror is a platform where over 100,000 writers have been writing. Out of that, 70,000 plus writers are writing stories, poems, and quote audio formats in the 10 different languages. So we have created that platform where readers and writers are getting connected. But the next step of any writer's ambition is to get his creation to the next level. Next creation is ebooks, or next creation is physical book publications. But there are a lot of myths in this segment because of a lack of understanding of authors. So even if some of the authors, those who have published several, so 10, 15 books in their life, when they come to us, they have this dilemma, what to choose, what to do. And all those questions are, questions are on, lot of questions they have. So these kind of sessions, we try to explain you as much as possible. Means like within this 1.5 hours of sessions, you are free to ask as many questions as possible. Because this is a very small group, as in author wise, we are not having 70,000 authors participating. Since small group is there in terms of, so we can make it more interactive. So at any point of time, you can ask me questions, interrupt me, ask difficult questions. If I am not aware of the answer, I will take this question and we will answer you in subsequent sessions. And while raising your questions, just ensure that your mic is switched on, and probably if you can switch on your video as well, so that others can see you, that we are talking to humans, because the human interaction is minimized due to the COVID. So in this process, we can make the interactive sessions as more of human. So let me share my screen. I request you, if you are not asking any questions, so you can keep yourself mic as mute. So this is the scope of the presentation. It is a part of our series that how to write a bestseller. Because StoryMirror as a concept or StoryMirror as a platform, we always believe that a country of 130 crore population, probably 140 crore by now, can always create national bestseller every day. That means 10,000 copies only we are talking about out of 130 crore population. If we remove almost 50% of the Janta, still we are having 60 crore people who at least some or other they read. 60, 70 crore people, they read. So why we cannot create a bestsellers? So there is someone is drawing in the screen. Srishti, can you take control of the activities? Because someone is drawing, because I do not want that.
That cannot be controlled.
So you can probably, I would request that if we artwork, we stop doing any artwork, or probably that gives a wrong impression. So we have to force to remove you from this session. So I would request that anybody who has done this artwork can get yourself region, so that this artwork is removed, because it is disturbing for everybody else who are part of this. Okay, so the objective of StoryMirror is writing a bestseller, and how to get it published and how to market it. So in this process, we will be discussing about these two aspects: the publishing as a service and how to market your book. Am I clear? Anybody wants to ask any question at this point of time? You can raise your
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I already raised my hand. I'm myself Anjali Gulati from Podar School. Basically, I'm a Hindi teacher. Actually, when you are sharing the screen, someone is scribbling on the screen.
Yeah, that is what I requested.
I will give you the suggestion about this if you don't mind.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Whenever you share the screen, then annotation will become one pop-up will come up. So
Okay.
just go and disable the annotation. Then nobody will scribble anything except host.
Vibhu sir, that is on top corner.
Top corner.
Yes, it's on top corner. Yes.
Top corner.
3.3. You can say that the three dots are there. Just click on the dot.
Okay.
And then that list of that one pop-up will come up. And then in this, I think 6th and 7th, 4th, 5th number, it will be there. Enable scribbling annotation.
Okay.
Enable annotation.
Disable attendance. Okay, I got it. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Really helpful. I didn't know this one.
Welcome.
I didn't
Thank
know
you.
this one.
This we have learned, sir, online classes.
Yes, that's true. Thank you. Okay, continue, please.
Yes. So, any questions at this point of time?
Not now, sir.
Okay. So we will go to, since writing is not objective of this today's session, so we will remove this writing as writing part of the discussion. In case anybody wants to get into the discussion of how to create a plot, how to create 3 scenes in an act, suspense, how to build a suspense tree, how to create twist, turns, characters, protagonist, climax building, and basic flaws of writing, and particularly writing, understanding few of the bestsellers approach to writing, then probably a lot of free sessions are conducted in a month. If you follow StoryMirror, you will find that such sessions are conducted by our writers, many of our bestsellers. They will be also covering some of the topics. But today, we will focus only on these 2 aspects, publishing and marketing. Since I want the discussion to be interactive, I will ask some questions as well. So can anyone switch on the mic and answer what is the difference between traditional and self-publishing? Anyone? Because you must have done some research. If you have not done, then I will definitely answer. But yes, sir.
In traditional publishing, generally the writer has to approach to the publisher, while in self-publishing, we are just the writer just reaches the writer just puts a text onto the publishing house where it is published. And self-publishing means, as the term goes, self-publishing means the writer publishes his book, so he gets the full right of it. While in traditional, generally, as there are very limited traditional publishing houses, so always there needs to be an agent who will proceed us to the publisher. While that sort of things are not so much very rare in the self-publishing world. That is the major difference.
Okay.
Sir, may I?
Your name, sir? Who answered?
My name is Kuntal. My name is Kuntal.
Kuntal ji?
Sir, may I?
Yes, please. You also tell your name so that everybody.
My name is Shubhadeep Bandyopadhyay. I hope everybody can hear.
Yes, we can hear you, sir.
So basically, in traditional publishing, what happens is the publishing company takes the total ownership of the book from the start to the end. It is end-to-end process, and where you expect a royalty at each and every step. And most of the risk of publishing, whether the book will do well or not, is taken by the publishing company. But in self-publishing, you get more royalty because you are exactly dividing the risk with the publishing company, sir.
Very good answer. Very good answer, sir. So
thank you, sir.
Why this term has been defined? Because earlier time when there were a less number of people who are writing, or less number of there were readers, but of course the access to reading a quality content was availability was very less. In that era, the publishing company was functioning as a only traditional publishing. Only traditional publishing means they will take all ownership, all risk, everything. Publishing houses will take all the risk. That means they will take the contents from you, whether the content runs perfectly or not, it is publisher's responsibility. Because when any kind of publishing setup, you will see that 300, 400 copies sell or 1000 copies sale is also a risk on the publishing houses, because if they say publish 1000 copies and say 10 copies only sold, so the ownership of those 990 copies is on publisher. Costing part, marketing part, distribution, every cost. So in that case, publishing houses in traditional mode, they normally take copyright from the authors. They always say that since I am bearing everything, I will take the copyright, even if it is in your name, but I will, the complete ownership is there with me, and you will get the royalty. And this is the traditional mode of approach. And the second mode is the self-publishing, or like our two gentlemen, they said, is the paid kind of publishing, where authors take control. I need this cover design. I need this paging setup. I need this the typesetting to be in a specific way. I need this arrangement to be done in a specific way. I need these marketing channels. I need these distribution channels. So I need approach based on your requirement comes under the umbrella of paid publishing or self-publishing. So there are a lot of differences. One is, while traditional mode, you might not have to pay a certain amount of money to the publishers, where in the self-publishing or paid publishing, you have to pay to the publishers. But the measure is the royalty distribution. In case of traditional publishing houses, the big ones, they normally pay 5 to 8% of the royalty. In a span of first year, normally they do not give money. Second year, sometimes they give 5%. Third year, they give 8%, something like that. And also, it is, since they are paying for the publishing expenses, the traditional mode, always you have a waiting period. So that means you have written a book and you want to get it published to a traditional publisher. You have to wait for 6 months, 8 months, sometimes in 2 years to get it published. But advantage of traditional publishing houses are they have been in the business for a longer period of time. So they understand market better than the paid publishing or self-publishing platforms. That is the major advantage of traditional publishing mode. And again, the traditional mode is an advantage. Another advantage of traditional mode is that they understand the content. They understand whether the book is sellable or not. So some of the big traditional publishing houses, there is a rejection rate or acceptance rate of 1 out of 6,000. That means if 6,000 manuscripts are received, only one is chosen for such kind of publishing services. That is in case of traditional. And self-publishing, there are two kinds of self-publishing platform exist. One is called book as a printing services, means some companies that operate in India who take up anything and everything and get it published. Sometimes as an author, you always tempted, or you are always inclined, or always have an impression that I am the greatest writer of the universe. And this is the creator arrogance. So many authors, they follow into that personality trait. And I'm as an accidental author by myself, and we have several 70,000 authors experience. So we have seen that creator arrogance is somewhere there in the minds of the authors. There is some traces of there. But those people who make it to the big or make it to the bestsellers, they do not have that attribute at all. So the way when when the author is taking his manuscript to the publishers, they always believe that their book is the best book in the world. Poetry book, some random romance has been there, some college romance has been there, but they believe that this is the best book of the universe. So in that case, there are certain companies in India who do not tell you that you need improvement in that. As a result of which, some of the self-publishing platform, in the name of giving 100% royalty, just take that creativity out of you and just produce a printed copy. not a published copy. So self-publishing also follows two approaches. One is the just printing as a service, which is called on-demand printing. Like you publish a book, sometimes free of cost, sometimes paying some 300 500 rupees, sometimes 5,000 rupees, get it published. And then you realize that after book is in your hand, the reputation that you wanted to develop through your process is getting hampered, because your friends and dear ones, they start telling you that boss, इसमें तो grammar error इतने ज़्यादा है कि पूछो मत. There is font issues, there is pagination issues, there is structural issues, narratives are wrong, poetry is wrong, title is wrong. So in that process, you get disheartened. Even if the creator arrogance.
स्टोरी मिरर का सेशन आजकल मैं सारे अटेंड कर रहा हूँ, तो समझ में आ रहा.
अतुल जी थोड़ा सा
Sorry.
No problem, it happens. So in this process what we try to take when we are publishing a book, I assume that all of you out here are looking for a publishing setup, or at least interested in understanding the process. In this process, you have to understand that whether your publishing houses, they are in a process of making you in a bestseller, or they are in the process of just printing your book. Any publishing houses which provides 100% of royalty means they are in the process of making a service for your book, not a publishing service. Because if a 100% royalty is given to you, then publishers' intentions are just to get more and more writers publishing book, because they would not be interested in making you reach masses. Because in India, as a country, in a year, almost 300,000, 3 lakh new books hit the market every year. Apart from that, the other bestsellers like the previous year's bestseller, previous 2 years bestsellers, and lot of those writers are already there in the competition, and also the classical bestsellers. So you, as a new author, you are competing with Amish Tripathi, you are competing with Chetan Bhagat, you are competing with J.K. Rowling, you are competing with Stephen King, you are competing with Leo Tolstoy as well at the same time. This competition is huge. So the way you have to behave, or you have to place yourself, is to make your content or your product or your book as best as possible. And that requires a lot of effort. When I mean lot of effort, there is no such definition of exact definition. What is the lot of effort? For example, I will tell you my own journey as a writer by myself. When I penned down my first novel, Wheels of Wish, and it was a story based on 3 time frames. One time frame where murder is happening, where there is a double murder is happening in the year 2008, and another story is revolving around 12th century, and third story is revolving around 1980s. So all the 3 stories are merging towards end.
Please can you please ask others to mute themselves?
Yeah, Sister Royal, you can mute others, or otherwise, is it okay?
Please tell everyone to mute themselves.
Yeah, our team is there. Sister Royal, you can give someone a host so that we can mute people. You can give me host. Sister, are you there?
Sir, I read your book, The Wheels of Wish. Sir, it was really nice, a very good experience, reading experience I got, sir.
Let me call our team, because I think
Kuntal Ghosh, can you please mute yourself? Kuntal Ghosh.
Romaisha Jan, can you
Just give
please
me a
mute
second.
yourself? Romaisha Jan.
I think we have muted people. We can start. I think people have been muted. So we can take up some of the questions to admins. You can mute. Okay. Simandar man. Okay. I think.
Sir, may I?
Yes.
Sir, I read your book, The Wheels
Yes,
of
sir.
Wish, and I was very, very impressed by your style of writing, sir. Not to tell that I was impressed because I understood why it is a bestseller, sir, because the time frames that you have taken on and you have merged them, each is very clear. The chapters are small so that we understand and we can go back. You have introduced the characters. So nobody, when writing, we sometimes when reading, we forget the name of the characters. That is well done. And the printing and everything is so good. I was very, very impressed with your book, sir.
But still I believe strongly that that book, if I read myself right now, because that was our first book, so we were not experienced. So if I read the services of that book, the rating will be 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10 reason being, it was not properly planned the way it is should be.
Sir, we lost it. Sir, some disturbance is there, sir. I don't...
Yeah, I think guys have been blocked, but I would request everyone, please put yourself in mute. So my own journey, the product part I was talking about, when I wrote the first draft, when I saw that to my colleague, who is maybe 15 years younger to me, I asked him, what is your rating about this book? Then he said that your storyline is 8 out of 10, but your writing is 1 out of 10. And it was very disheartening to me. Then I said, what was wrong in this? Then he mentioned that you should read a book, Fountainhead by Ayn Rand. Then you will get to know what I am talking here. Sambardhan Jikiji, if you can put yourself on mute, because there is some background noise.
So what's the name of your book?
Yeah, this name of my book is Wheels of Wish. So then after reading Ayn Rand, Fountainhead by Ayn Rand, I discovered that writers should, when you are writing something, anything, you should always believe one thing: writers are not merely writing for this time. Writers are writing for the future. If you just believe in the single word, that responsibility of yours is very high. You cannot just write crap. You cannot just publish crap. You have to ensure that whatever I am writing, then that is not only touching some heads, some of the person, but that is also changing some lives somewhere in the world. So in my case, after getting that feedback, I rewrote. Means like I wrote the entire book again. Then I showed that to somebody else. He said that this is 3 out of 10. I wrote again 4 out of 10. When people state that, okay, it is 7 out of 10, 6 out of 10, then only I thought of publishing the book. And still, if that was still my first book, and second book it is yet to be launched. But if I compare the expectation of my right now, my own expectation, that book is 4 only. I still believe that that book was 4. I do not see that this book was even 7 or 8. So,
sir, you are very humble, sir.
No, this is
You are
something
very,
you have to be rigid on your expectations. Expectation cannot be casual because you are thinking about giving some impact to the society. When we are thinking about impacting some society, then you have to be very ruthless, very rigid with you. That is the first part where you look at with the publishing aspect. That is what I am trying to say here, that publishing aspect, before even going to any steps, you have to make a good product. You have to read hundreds of books. If you are writing one book, at the same time, you must be reading hundreds of books to structure your thoughts. As Indians, our thought process are mixed thought process. Because, for example, my thinking is in Odia. मैं ओडिया में ही सोचता हूँ क्योंकि बचपन से ओडिया मीडियम में पढ़े. So when I'm writing in English, so it is a translated version of that language. Even if I can speak in English and Hindi, but still thought process in Odia. So in that process, you have to always give more time in choosing the right words. So the first step of any writing activities is to create a great product. If your product is not good, if you have not got your book reviewed by at least 10, 15 of your colleagues, friends, relatives, then don't go to any publishing houses to publish your book. Because it is a wastage of money, time, effort, research, especially the cutting of the trees. Bamboos are used and the trees are used in creating papers. And if you are not serious about writing and you have gone to publishers, then you are not only damaging the overall content reputation, but also you are damaging the environment. So you must take care that you have to be very serious, at least multiple drafts you have created before going to publisher. So the first step before approaching any publication houses is to get yourself valued properly out of 10 scale. So ask at least 10 or 20 people to evaluate your content. That is the first step. Then how to choose a publisher? Publisher has few attributes. One, publishers, how they behave, the first interactions with the publishing houses. You have to make a note. There are 8,000 publishers in India at the moment. 8,000 publishers. So what they do, when you choose a publishers, you should ask some difficult questions. You should ask them how many bestsellers that you have created. This is the first question you should ask. If you are not able to ask those questions, that means, in my opinion, those authors come into cadre of stamped author. There are two types of author that we define in StoryMirror. One is a stamped author, another is published author, bestsellers. There is nothing in between. Stamped author means somebody who wants to present that to his wife, present that to his husband, or present that to his daughter, son, etc. Or wants to publish a book to get a get a seat secured in the overseas, because there are authors are respected heavily overseas, particularly US, UK market, Australian market. They are treated like a very big. So many of the students, they want to get published so that they can get admitted to foreign universities. So all these categories that I mentioned, they follow into the cadre of stamped author. That means they are no intention of selling the book. There is no intention of reaching to masses, but they want to have an author before their name or author after their name. In that case, you should choose publishing house, any publishing house in India, all can do the stamped author activities. Then comes the second cadre, that how much publishers are inclined to make your book to the next level. Next level means at least first 3 months, 1,000 copies, 6 months, 3,000 copies, or a year time, 10,000 copies sell. Any book that sells 10,000 copies in a single year are called bestsellers in India.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes, please, Kunal.
Sir, is the process same for non-fiction books too?
No, it is not same for non-fiction books, but it varies. what kind of cadre your book falls. For example,
Sir, can I tell about the book presently what I'm writing? It's about the whole journey of athletics in India.
Mhm.
The whole journey of means from 1948 till now.
Mhm.
All the journey. So how should I go about it?
Okay.
Means I have tried.
So when you are picking up a new subject, athletic journey of India, means various athletes journey of India, and this is the right time to publish or write some topics around this, because we have done good work in the Tokyo Olympics.
Yeah, that is why I want to reach the mass, so that I can inspire, at least I can inspire few to that they carry forward this journey of India more and more.
Okay, so now here is the question, that when athletes, normally they are not reader.
Yeah.
Athletes, they are not readers. They are like sports person. Very rarely you find sports person. They are a reading mass. And those who are reading mass, they are not. They have less interest in these sports activities. But at the same time, this subject needs to be talked right now, because as a mass country of so much population, we are not able to crack a lot of things in the internet.
Yeah, that is why that means my books contains only that parts only, mainly the problems our athletes faced during the Olympic that lead to, might be we could have get more medals earlier also. The restriction which they faced that stopped them from getting the medals. That is only revolves around my book. Means on that topic only my books revolve.
Okay. So I will explain this concept, and everybody who is writing non-fiction, you must listen carefully, very carefully. There are two types of non-fiction exist. One is the conceptual non-fiction. Conceptual non-fiction means that I am talking about, say, marriage as an institution. What is marriage? What is the significance of marriage? How the marriage happens? How the bridegroom is selected? How the groom is selected? On all those, how the bride is selected? On all those things are a part of conceptual non-fiction. Means you are only explaining the concept. Then another category, which is called a creative non-fiction. Creative non-fiction. Just listen carefully. What is the difference? Creative non-fiction is something, if you have read any books of Robin Sharma, or if you have read any such biographical books, which are falling under non-fiction cadre, but they are not conceptual non-fiction. They are not giving some fundamentals. They are giving the storyline. In the format of storyline, they are explaining the concept. So when you are writing a non-fiction, everybody out here should try to create a creative non-fiction, because that is.
Yeah, I have tried this one only. I have selected the background of Neeraj's journey as my plot. I mean, Neeraj's last show as my plot line, and created the story around it.
Yes, and also this era, if you are able to create a powerful storyline, the era we are living in, OTT platforms, movie industries are just after such content right now. Just after such content, if you can really create a powerful protagonist with a storyline, with some kind of conflicts in his life, with some kind of power, that how could he gone past the challenges in his life, finally becoming the winner. And the story should start with a suspense in the start, and probably suspense ends towards the end. And with that, your non-fictional story revolves. So to answer your question, the question was different. Your question was whether non-fiction 10,000 is the benchmark, creative non-fiction 10,000 is the benchmark. But in conceptual non-fiction, say for example, you are talking about Hinduism as a book, or some kind of biographical books. So 5,000 still can be considered as a bestseller. Why it is called bestseller? There is no standard benchmark of a bestseller, but why it is called bestseller? After 1,000 or 2,000 copies sell, you normally, any kind of publisher or the author, they break even. Whatever amount of investment that goes to a book, within 1,000 to 2,000, depending on the maximum retail price, you break even. So that the next 3,000 to 10,000, like 5,000 for some, 10,000 for some, you actually make good amount of money that establishes you among the reader community. So that is why the demarcation line has been 5,000 and 10,000 for conceptual non-fiction and creative non-fiction. And in case of say poetries, in case of Hindi language books, in case of, for example, Oriya, 1,000 is considered as a bestseller. Hindi book, 3,000 novels also considered a bestseller. So it is no standard protocol there, but only way you have to think that my books.
It means the ratio of the readers, how many readers are there, and how many I can impact of the amount of the readers.
Yeah, I will give an example, short example here. Many of you might have read a book by Dan Brown. Dan Brown is one of the popular writers who has created books by Angels, Demons, even the Da Vinci Code, etc. When he produced his first book, Angels and Demons, in 2 years' time, despite putting a lot of money, lot of effort, even though it was a excellent book, but due to some lack of marketing activities, his book could sell 7,000 to 8,000 copies. And his third book was selling almost, third or fourth book, probably Da Vinci was his fourth book, was selling in millions of copies. Probably total books in fourth book itself, he made almost 170 million copies. That means close to 17 crore people in the entire world was reading his book. So point here is that if you are confident about writing and every day you are reading for 3-4 hours, writing for say 30 minutes or writing for 1 hour and reading for 5 hours, then you should always keep on trying. And God helps only those people who have been consistently trying. Give up people, nobody gives them any kind of respect, because it is easy to give up, but it is very difficult to keep those driver to the intact. So, okay, let's come back to the next question.
So, I had a question.
Yes, your name?
So, Manisha Dey.
Manisha Dey, yes, tell me.
So I was saying that, is there, like, do we have to physically reach out to the publisher, or is there any option to reach out through the internet, or like online mode? Is there an option?
Yeah, it is like in our case, for example, Story Mirror, you are running a Story Mirror platform. Story Mirror platform has a lot of contact points. Every publishing houses, you will find their connections or their contact details in their website itself. Even you do a simple Google search, you will get all those contact details. So the era is over where you were sending, earlier time what it was sending, that people were sending manuscripts to the publisher, printed manuscript. Publisher will read, then publisher will make some notes, they will send a rejection letter. All this drama was happening. The era is over. With the help of Big Brother Google and Big Brother other technological companies, we are able to communicate with each other faster. So you can always send email to the publishing houses asking for what are the details about, what are the conditions, what are the contracts. For signing any book, you should carefully evaluate the contract.
Sir, myself Ananya Gondavardhan, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Mine, I'm trying to write a poetry book. So in that case, I have heard about that Amazon e-publishing or some self-publishing sites. I mean, the ways are there where it's like free of cost, having zero cost publishing. So I don't have any idea about that. Is it really, I mean, do this thing really happen, or does it work for the authors?
Very good question, Ananyaji, very good question. There are two things. Now think about what I mentioned originally. I mentioned originally that in India, almost 300,000, 10 lakh new books are created every year. And in US market, it is almost 2 million new books are created every year, which comes to India. India is the biggest market for US publishers. So almost you are having 2.5 million new books that are created every year. So now you say you put a book in Amazon Kindle. How the readers, say I am a reader and you are the writer, how I'll get to know Ananya Upadhyay has published a book in Amazon. You have to advertise, right? The cost of advertisement in Amazon is far costly than any publishing houses across globe. That is one. Second is how when you publish in Amazon free, you are not editing your book. Editing cost in Amazon is extremely complex, extremely difficult. They will ask for a lot of things. So if your unedited book, unstructured book is published in Kindle, for example, then end up readers reading your book only to say that this book is not been properly handled. Same with the case of those companies where the charges are less or zero. Very sometimes some readers or writers, they approach certain publishing house, they say that, okay, I can get the editing done in 1,000 rupees. Now think about the editor's activities. An editor, if a 200-page book somebody is editing, then he is spending at least 15 to 20 days in editing the one version. And if you are talking about two versions, then he is spending almost 30 days in editing your book. So imagine that how much salary he should be getting. Because it's the entire 1 month he spent. If he has spent the entire 1 month, then should he get 2,000 rupees? No, right? That means, so in that case, you have to evaluate how much editing is required for my book. My editing might be.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. Just one question regarding editing. What's the actual meaning of editing? Does it like a drastic change in the language in every aspect, or is it like only changing the grammatical thing or that?
There are 2-3 aspects of editing. One is called proof editing. Proof editing is like you mentioned about grammar part, spelling part, punctuation part, comma, full stop, double quotes, single quotes, all those things are a part of proof editing. Conceptual editing or extensive editing requires a structural change. For example, say I have written a book. I have written a story on something which is not conveying the message because due to certain choice of words, I have not written good stories. For example, I can say, Ananya, you are asking a good question. This is a one sentence. But if I say the same sentence, Ananya, your questions just help me to rethink about my impression about you, or your question forced me to think something else. So the same sentence, same meaning, they changed. And the second one probably is more powerful than first one. So this aspect of narrative change, structural change is the real editing. And that is very, very costly actually. And those, because I remember one author.
Sir, I want to ask one thing here.
Yes.
Sir, for digital books, what is, how it becomes a bestseller, sir? How many copies need to be sold? Because digital books exactly reach to the masses much more in these current times, sir.
Okay, I will give an answer in twofold. So hopefully I will come to this question, but before that, does that answer your question, Ananya ji? Does that answer my answer satisfies you? Means as a
Yes, sir. I completely understand now. Thank you.
Subodha ji, now coming to your question.
Yes, sir.
Now there are two parts to the question. One question is that digital books, how many copies need to be sold to call as a bestsellers? Until now, bestsellers across globe has not been defined through digital book sale. It has been, until now, it has been defined as a physical book sale, including US market. So if you are talking about bestsellers in New York market or US market in India, or so national bestsellers, all are calculated based on number of physical book sale. But at the same time, after the COVID era, after the things are navigating to the next level, so digital book sale is also coming into a picture in a very speed rate. So since digital book costing is less, costing is almost zero, only the production cost, initial production cost, because there is no such paper is used, because every cell you do not require paper. So in that case, the reachability becomes higher. So in our opinion, in the way we perceive as a Story Mirror as a brand, we see that at least 20,000 to 30,000 copy sales should be happening for digital sales to make it a bestseller. Because reason being, digital sales are price are lesser, and then the objective of bestseller is not to purchase the books. The objective is how many are reading the book, how many are actually influenced. So normally people, when they purchase physical books, many of the guys, they read, but many times it has been observed that digital purchase buyer or digital buyers, they hardly go beyond 1 or 2 pages. So that is why the digital numbers would be higher. In our case, we have not properly defined, or we have not presented it somewhere, but internally in our own mind, we have kept it at between 20,000 to 30,000 digital copy sale to be considered as a national bestseller.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for clearing, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I want to.
Yes, someone is asking.
Sir, I also want to add to it that this problem I had also faced. Means the book first I published, it was a digital book. It has been just 10 to 15 days. It has sold at around 1,000, but the reviews I got was just around 10 to 12. So there is a big problem in the digital that we don't get the reviews, whether it is good or bad. The readers generally, there is very seldom we get the reviews by the readers. That is one of the biggest problems that digital book faces.
Yeah, because think about this, because it is the mindset of the people. It is transforming to a digital era. Maybe next 5 years, after next 5 years, when we have this similar discussion, you will find that digital copies are the only thing that is selling. Probably, we do not know. But until now, the transition is happening from physical book to digital book. Transition is happening. So you have to take both sides in equal consideration. So one question I have received from Amanpreet Singh. Sir, what is Story Mirror mixed model of publishing? Mixed model is otherwise called hybrid model. Hybrid model means the author takes control at just self-publishing or paid publishing setup. At the same time, Story Mirror as a publishing partner, we take care of your book. That means we try our level best. We do innovation activities. We do all such of creative expenses without even incurring any kind of special expense burden on the author. That means if your book is running perfectly fine, say you have sold say 1,000 copies or sold some 1,000 copies or so, we just go ahead on. Means like we do not care whether you are ready to put in a single penny or not. We take care of all the burden. We do bulk printing, say 10,000 kind of bulk printing we do. So the price of the production cost becomes very, very cheap. And also we go for all out in distribution packages. So we do not follow a traditional mode of publishing or a paid mode of publishing, which is called self-publishing, but we are in between. And who are the other ones who are in between? There is a company called Jaico who are in between, like Story Mirror, and there is a company called Writer Place. Sometimes they are also following, some of the other authors, they are following the hybrid model. And the self-publishing, pure self-publishing platform are which one? Notion Press, Pothi, LeadStart, Become Shakespeare, all those companies are.
So then how can I, if I want to publish my non-fiction book in Story Mirror, can I publish it? How can I approach over it?
Yeah, you can go to Story Mirror website. There are all the details are there, including mail IDs.
Okay.
Okay. Now the interesting question.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. You said that costing and all would be
mentioned over there. Yes, mentioned over there. But at the same time, say for example, there is some customization of the costing that also you can get by talking to our team. Another interesting question, Sasmita Sahu has written.
Sir, before you move to the next question, can I please ask that, can you repeat the names for pure self-publishing and hybrid self-publishing, please, sir?
Sorry, come again. Can you repeat the question?
The names that you just now mentioned, Notion Press, Pothi, and what else for pure self-publishing, and what are the channels for hybrid self-publishing.
Okay, I
please?
am showing you that. Okay, 28, page number 28. So, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Notion Press, Pothi, Listad becomes Shakespeare, Blue Rose, and White Falcon. Those are the companies. They are pure self-publishing. Okay, you are able to see my screen.
They have got access to the multi.
Yes, sir.
Before deciding
anything,
still have a chance.
any publisher.
Others, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. All the participants, please mute yourself. You are not.
Yes. So whenever you are going for book publishing, because book publishing is a responsibility, you cannot just take it lightly. So you must talk to all those publishing houses before deciding, because they behave. Everybody behaves differently. So it is up to you to choose based on your requirements. So you must talk to all those guys, get there, what is the relationship, how relationship managers are behaving, how they are flexible, how much time they will take, what is the contract there, what is the copyright thing they are taking, what is the indemnity clause, what is the conflict clause, what is the termination clause. All those contract clauses you must read carefully. If you are say talking to someone and you are confused, you can always reach out to Storymill. We do not force authors to come to Storymill. No, we never. We believe that a community needs to be built. Community cannot be one person or one company's responsibility. It is the community's responsibility. So we encourage that if you are written a extremely great book and you want that immediately movies will be created, then approach Penguin, probably approach Bloomsbury, and but they will take 2 years to publish the book. And if you want anything to be published without editing support, without basic level of editing support, go for Notion Press. They can get it book published in 15 days, 10 days, 5 days. They can publish because they are just printer. They act as a printer. So,
sir, how many days it takes in Storymirror to publish a book, sir?
So we normally take 2 to 3 months, because a manuscript is received, that it follows some editing panel, and depending upon the volume. For example, some certain months we take some complex books are there, and that team is dedicated to that activities. Then it can go beyond 3 months as well. But normally we say 2 to 3 months in an average. And but it is a, say for example, you have written a book where there is a transcriptions, there is something. So for example, transliterations are there. There is bibliography there. There is indexing. There is creative drawings to be created in the book. So it will vary between 4 to 6 months. Once book is received to production to go to the masses, 4 to 6 months. If the sketches are there, then there is tabular format there. Then there is a story needs to be built. Then also that takes time. Another question in this aspect, Sasmita Sahu has written, for new writers, can you please suggest some of the best topic to write? You can connect to us in some of the other forums. We have thousands of topics. If anybody wants to write on a complex thriller topic, or probably mythofictions, a romantic genre, drama, and children genre, we have thousands of stories are there. And I can think of, when you are writing a story, you should think about contemporary. It is not about contemporary storyline. The question could have been put, can is the best writer to write? For new writers, there are sometimes the writers feel that they have to write in the contemporary style. For example, if romance is hit, I will write on romance. No, you should write what others are not writing. Man by default is attracted to certain things which is not available at ease. There is no trend. Those books which are hit are those books who have set the trend.
So your voice is
it audible right now?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir. What about the marketing part, like for Notion Press?
Okay, we are coming to that part, because we are just covering the publishing part. We will come to that part. Okay. So these are the 4 or 5 things that you have to take into consideration while publishing the book.
Can I ask 2 questions, sir?
Yes, please.
Does our Story Mirror publish ebook freely? This is my first question. And second question is, being a translator, if I want to translate my some of the good, nice books of our regional languages in English or vice versa, from English to our regional language Marathi, then what is the legal procedure for the same?
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I will answer the second question first. When the copyright law across globe is similar, it varies from 50 years to 60 years or after person death. You can do copyright. So you cannot translate an English book to Hindi or Marathi or vice versa if the person is alive or copyright is in his name. That is strict no. And second is, you can get rights from that author that I want to translate your book. Can you allow me to translate? Pooja, can you put it on mute?
I can't hear, sir.
Yeah, I'm hearing noise. Hello?
नमस्कार सर.
Just a second, I am requesting someone. Sorry about this. Sorry, just give me a second. Let me ask someone to.
नमस्कार सर.
मैं थोड़ा सा लोगों को बोल रहा हूँ कि
तभी संडे है. Come on यार.
Hear you, sir. I am sorry.
Yeah, I'm having disturbances. So just allow me a few minutes. Hello?
5 to 6 people are
Mute yourself. You are talking right now. Hello? You are talking right now. And also, if Srishti is there, ask her to give me host access. I tried to reach her, but because that is the problem. A lot of problems we have. Okay.
नमस्कार सर, मेरा भी एक क्वेश्चन है आपसे सर.
या जस्ट हम लोग एक एक क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं, नहीं तो फिर मतलब नीरज जी एक एक क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं.
ओके सर.
सो हमें ये सब चार चीजों को कंप्लीट करते हैं. एंड बुक स्टोरी राइटिंग, आपका पहला क्वेश्चन था कि ई बुक्स स्टोरी मिरर पब्लिश फ्री. यस, वी पब्लिश स्टोरी मिरर ई बुक्स फ्री, बट इफ यू आर हैविंग some special pagination or editing services, we charge for that. So I think your question is answered. If I'm not mistaken. Yes.
Sir, मेरा भी एक सवाल है सर. I have a question.
राजमा चावल के साथ दही का कोई अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन है.
Hello.
लंच के साथ.
I have a question, sir.
बोलिए.
The question is, sir, recently, whatever I wrote in Bengali, I was very happy that I got Author of the Week from Reader's Choice. So readers are finding it much more good to hear my writing in Story Mirror. So if I go for the digital formats, will Story Mirror help me in publishing a book digitally, sir?
Yes, of course we can. In fact, if you see our programs such as Author of the Year programs, those who are on the top 10 or top 15, I don't remember the exact numbers, but they are approached for, some of them are approached for free book publishing, some of them are approached for very heavily discounted budget. So all those things are there. So, and there are certain authors who completely free, because if you see there are certain books, say anybody of you who might have participated in the anthology competitions, or there is a concept of interactive novel. Those authors who are selected in that process, they will be published free of cost, completely free of cost. So we have both the models we follow. So it is up to you how much good you are, because sometimes that is what I am saying. When you are talking to us, you must keep in mind that if you should be good enough to get it published. You cannot be just writing something and we will publish. No, we do not do that. We accept a major.
Can we have your contact number, your contact details? Can we have?
We have our details, our marketing details, publishing in the email ID, but I am sharing my own number as well, mail ID as well, vibhu@storymirror.com. So you can use this email ID to contact me.
Sir, repeat once again.
I'm just sharing in the chat.
Sir, please answer my second question about the translation.
Translation, you have to seek permission from the author as well as publisher before going ahead with the before going ahead with the publishing of or translating the work. You cannot just do directly. You cannot do directly. And then comes the translation comes with a heavy time investment, because the translation will not happen in a 15 days, 20 days, because one book for us almost we took 1 year to translate, because it was 800-page book. It took us almost a year to translate. So those challenges are also there. So you can convince those publishing house author that what is the impact of the translation. Then you get the rights receipt from them, and then you can go ahead and translate it. But you should not.
Is it necessary to take writer's written permission, even publisher same?
Yes, of course.
Okay, thank you.
It is a mandatory thing. Otherwise, you come into legal trap. And Anirban Beraji asked, how should I write to get 10 out of 10 from my editors in StoryMirror? The highest mark I achieved from StoryMirror is 8 out of 10. It is a different question, not scope of this discussion, but I can answer this question in a very nutshell. Only thing is you keep on reading and writing, in evaluating what could have been better, what sentences could have been better. Someday you will realize that you have gone to a level editors are not giving anything less than 10 to you. And a traditional publisher never respond to new writers. Probably they do not even read. So it is a wastage of time trying with them. It is my experience. So think about Surbaji. It is not about traditional publishers. It is about the business model they are into. Because they are evaluating 6,000, 8,000 manuscripts a month. So it is not virtually possible for them to read all the manuscript and reply everything. So it normally takes time. So it is not so it is up to, that is what I said. These are the choices that we have made. That is why many self-publishing companies are coming up. Then Roman.
What's the process of evaluation? Like you mentioned earlier that we should evaluate many times before going to publish it. So being like doing my first time, and still I'm writing, not yet completed. So in that case, to just build up my self-confidence, how to evaluate my writing?
Evaluate the writing. See, how do you evaluate you as a girl, or you as a mother, you as a sister? How do you evaluate yourself? You evaluate based on others' feedback, right? If your mother, your child is saying, "Mama, you are a good person," or your husband is saying, "You are a good wife," or your sister is saying that you are a good. Similarly,
Are there any professional studies for evaluation?
Yes, that is called beta readers. In those beta readers, you can give those to beta readers. We are coming up with a module in the next month, or probably towards end of next month, where you can get yourself evaluated as well.
Where, sir? Repeat one.
In the StoryMirror itself, evaluation in the random readers, you can give your content for evaluation.
Can you repeat once again, sir? What's the name you mentioned?
That is called beta reading. Beta reading means no. Okay, this is not a term. This is called beta reading. Beta reading means that without getting published, you are allowing people to read. So that is called beta reading.
So is this a site?
It is not a site. It is not a site. It is a concept. So anyone supporting this, any platform supporting this, you can get them. Get anyone supporting this, you can approach them. Any platform.
Sir, I have a question.
I'm asking from you, sir. I don't know any contact about this thing. So
until now, we use our readers to beta read. When we receive some contents, if author is demanding for beta reading, we give them to 20, 30 those active readers to read the content and evaluate. Some of you might have received certain mails where we have approached you for evaluating the content before publishing. Even sometimes they give 8 marks, sometimes they give 1 mark. If 1 mark means we just author to recalculate.
So we can approach the publisher itself before going.
Yes. They will help you. They will help you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, this is Subhamay Mondal. I have a question.
Yes, सुबह एक काम करें क्या बाकी concept को हम लोग explain कर लेते हैं before taking up your further question, so that marketing aspect is not remained as a leftover things. Okay.
Sir, actually, you are telling about the legal problems. Easily, I have the question on that issue.
Yes, please tell me.
Actually, I have a storyline where three stories are there, and one is based on a news published on the in the daily newspaper. Actually, that full part of the news is itself a story, and if I include it in my whole story, it will be one of that part. Whether I should be get into any travel for that?
Yes, of course. You cannot copy directly. You can get the thing.
Sir, I am not copying. I am taking that whole news. That news came into the newspaper for few days. It was a case.
But case also, you cannot seek the case, because even if it is a digital content and you are not a news company can take any contents from anywhere, because as per legal arrangement of media rules. But since you are not a news company, you are just publishing a book, you cannot take the contents as it is, even if it is freely available. You cannot take.
Okay.
As per law. Okay, does that answer your question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will just quickly move on to the marketing part, and then we will take up further questions. Before I ask any further question on marketing, you must keep in mind few of the questions. Do you believe that you can be a bestseller? Do you believe that marketing is the collective effort of both authors and publishers? Are you ready to spend 4 to 5 hours daily to market your book along with publishers? Are you open for approaching people to read your book? कुछ लोगों के मन पे ऐसे होता है, I am a writer. How can I approach someone to read to purchase my book? My own journey, I am telling you. When we published our first book, that time we had absolutely no experience, because I was coming from an investment bank. My co-founder was also from banking industries, Hitesh Jain. So we didn't have any understanding of what to do. We had only thought that we will solve certain problems of creating a platform, creating a publishing solution. So the first book, when we published, then I took the book and I went to brand stand in Mumbai, completely on road. It was near to Shahrukh Khan or Shahrukh Khan's house probably. Then I started selling someone that, boss, this is a book. Will you be interested? Then he asked, who is the author? I was little bit shy. I said that the author is someone, Vibhrat Raut. He has written some book and this is his book. And it is purely on road. Huh? Let me clearly tell you, it is purely on roadside we are talking about. And there are people moving here and there, etc. Then he said that this book, what is the storyline? Then I explained the storyline and plot, everything. He said that you sound like you know the author very well. Yes, I said, yes, I know the author very well. Then we sold our first copy. 100, that time it was 150, 190, I do not recollect, first edition. But that gave me confidence that the book I can sell. And after say, even 2-3 years down the line, when book has sold 20,000 copies, I remember that incident, that yes, that was a good incident. If I have to resell my book, I will emphatically tell the buyer that this is my book. I am trying to sell my book to you. There is no bad feeling. But normally, many authors, they have this hesitation that how can he approach? If you are having hesitation to sell your book, then probably you are not ready to become a bestseller. Probably you should not put any money in marketing budget, very, very clearly. And the aspect of marketing that you have to think about, there are 3 types of marketing that StoryMirror supports, and probably many of the other publishing houses, they support the similar kind of activities. One is called phase 1. Phase 1 means that means we are evaluating your book. through email marketing, through influential marketing, through social media, and we are managing almost 800 plus WhatsApp groups. We are managing our own giveaway platforms, and we have almost 20 million people we can reach through influential marketing. So all those phase 1 activities, this happens between 1 month to 3 months kind of period. And the second is the phase when the book is running fine and people have accepted the book and they are finding good, then the second part is the offline space. We go for physical bookstores, we go for, and in the phase 1, there is also Amazon ad, Flipkart ad, Snapdeal ad, all those digital ad also we run. Then second phase is the offline activities. Small, while in the phase 1, we are not extensively putting ad budget, but in the phase 2, we put extensive ad budget. So daily, maybe if your book is running good, we can, the daily budget can be 5,000 to 10,000 kind of budget we can put on various platforms. Then we arrange for talk sessions. For example, somebody who joined today, who do not know me at all, who is Bibhat Rao, they do not know, or what is Story Mirror, they do not know. By these sessions, actually I marketed myself. We talked about our book. We talked about Story Mirror, how Story Mirror has almost 400 million words have been written by 10 different languages, how 70,000 story poem writers are there in the platform, almost 100,000 writers are writing in various types of subjects. So you got to know about this thing. So indirectly you are getting marketed. So this is the phase 2 activities. Phase 3 activities is the customized distribution, viral marketing strategies, newspaper ads, TV talk shows, all those things are a part of phase 3. I will share you something. So now are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Content marketing period table. If you Google it out, then you will see that these are some of the concept that you will get to know as a marketeer. Or because after creation of the product, the next activity is the marketing of the product. You cannot say that I am a creator, I cannot be marketer. I am a shy guy, what I can do. If you are a shy guy, don't aspire big. If you are a shy guy, don't aspire big. Just simple content ना. आपको अगर बेस्ट सेलर बनना है, बेस्ट सेलर का एट्रीब्यूट भी चाहिए. अगर आप बोलोगे कि मैं ओलंपिक मेडल मुझे मिलना है, ओलंपिक मेडल का जितना मेहनत चाहिए उतना तो मेहनत तो आप करोगे ही. आप IIT JEE का प्रिपरेशन कर रहे थे, सिविल सर्विस का प्रिपरेशन कर रहे थे, आपने कभी सोचा है कि मुझे 18 घंटा दिन का पढ़ाई करना पड़ रहा है? You never bothered about that because you are thinking about a success story. When you are thinking about a success story and you are putting your everything to that, and you are talking about a bestseller and you are thinking about less than success story, then my dear friend, you will never achieve that. Those people, 25 national bestsellers we have created so far out of 600 plus authors. One thing common among all 25 writers are they are passionate to make their book successful. So this is the periodic table. What you can do, we can probably read through that whenever you are free time, because it is a very, very complex marketing strategies. That is a strategy, format, platform, matrices, how will you calculate matrices, how checkpoints are created, how the disciplines are to be maintained. All these things are a part of content marketing protocols. So we have done some of them, and you can read and you feel that, okay, something how I can do viral marketing activities. I want to reach say 10 million people in just 1 month time. That will require budget. Then that will require budget. In that budget also you can do magic. I will give an example of author without naming him. He put a budget of almost 89 lakh. It is a big budget actually, huge budget. He put on his fourth book. And accidentally I know he's a national bestseller, of course. I know his PR agency. I asked him what is the number of sales. And he said that 65,000 copies sold in just 4 months. 65,000. So how much money he made? He made almost 1.2 to 1.3 crore. How much is the expenses? 18 lakh is the expenses. Remaining is the 30 lakh is the profit. And how much time? In 4 months. And in that process, author is getting a contract of speaker session in various corporates. And what is the charge for that? एक घंटे का they charge almost 5 to 6 lakh rupees. Sometimes lower side is 2 lakh, 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh, and higher side even goes beyond 10 lakh rupees, the big authors. So the authors make money lot of things. He makes money through OTT platform. He makes money through song creation of his books. He makes money through audio rights. He makes money on the short story rights. He makes money through ebooks. He makes money through physical books. He makes money through speaker sessions. So if he is making so much of money in multiple ways, then your life can change completely if one book is it. One book is it. So you have to give your life's best shot, And but sometimes what we have observed, those who are starting up their career authorship, they believe that, okay, I will give half-cooked effort. In my weekends only, I can put some effort. Then you should not aspire big. If your life is only weekend life, you are dedicating to book, probably you are not ready to get your book published. Sorry to say bluntly, if someone of you believe in that, because a book, only one book can change your life. If I talk my own journey, I was an investment banker working for in the algo trading department in some of the leading Swiss banks. My life was completely stable, but one book not only changed my life, but created the platform Story Mirror, and several thousands of authors who have joined, and we are having this discussion. One book changed my life completely. My life was initially devastated, like, okay, so much money I have to pump in to make the platform ready, and people are not believing. We have to convince them. Lot of things were into that. But finally, what we have achieved, we have become India's #1 literature tech platform. Nobody is competitor to us in all the aspect of publishing, starting from short story to physical book publication to creativity, distribution across 130 countries. So one book can change your life completely. It can take you to a different level. So you have to give your full shot. So my only request is, give your full shot doesn't mean that put all your money into the bucket. It is about effort. It is about try. It is about passion. It is about commitment to the goal. Many people who are not committed, who are only weekend committed, my dear friends, please do not publish book. Story Mirror platform is there where you can put your stories, poems, and many readers are reading there, and you are getting also appreciation, and you are getting periodically awards, etc. So this should be your approach. So now I will take up questions, only questions I will take up, so that I am now coming on to Neelam Pathare Sawaikar. I am getting my English ebook done with Story Mirror. I want to translate the book in vernacular language, then have them published paperback. Is this a good idea? Extremely good idea. Extremely good idea, Neelam ma'am. Always you should remember that author's journey should start with a small first, then going for big. You start publishing with a short story, publishing Story Mirror, people are liking, commenting, etc. Okay, next step is the ebook, next step is the physical book. That should be the journey. Next step is the extensive marketing and giving your completely best shot. So I think that is a very good idea. Let us take up questions, otherwise we shall never. So what should be our budget to make a book successful? Okay, interesting question. Akshat ji, are you there by any chance? Akshat Garwal. Okay, what should be our budget to make a book successful? I will give a few examples. In my case, my own journey, my book was almost because I made a mistake. I made a lot of mistakes. I was not knowing at all, so that is why I committed more. Otherwise, my case budget was very big, because I wanted to create my book as a bestseller in just 1 or 2 months time, which never happened. So budget is not defined by just amount of money spent, but amount of time spent, because your time is also money. If you are giving some amount of time right now we are talking, so that is also budget that should be clubbed into your planning part. So the typical budget varies between, say, 50,000 to 2-3 lakh, depending upon, to create a very good product, a bestseller. That varies. And then in our case, the way Story Mirror functions, if your book is running, we just put our everything to that bucket. So you will not have to worry ki every time I have to feed Story Mirror or any kind of publishing services, I have to bear the cost. No. Once your book is reached certain level, so typically basic budget that you should be keeping in mind, that between, if a good book, I'm talking about bestsellers, between 50,000 to 2 lakh kind of budget आपको रखना चाहिए. Because if you think about IIT JEE preparation, आप कितना budget रखते हैं? 2 साल 3 साल का preparation करते हैं. So how much money or expenses, time, how much you keep? You keep similar amount of money. If you are preparing for civil service, how much money, time you are spending? 4 years, 3 years sometimes. So if a book is changing your life, so you should also keep that in mind. Then otherwise wait for certain time. Don't be in a hurry to publish book. What is the use of just publishing a book, having author name, but finally you are not be renowned, becoming a renowned author? You have spent your time. Your time is lost. So wait for time. As there are certain authors, they wait for 7-10 years to write a book. I know an author. He was there in yesterday's session. In case some of you might have attended, you might have seen him. He took almost 400 book research and 7 years of time. 7 years time. 400 book research to create his first book. And first book, if you type in Hinduism in Amazon, you will see his name as a first author. So it is not that you should be hurried to publish a book, because it is a life's commitment that you are giving to a book. It should be inspiring. You should not just throw away anything to the marketplace. You should not say that okay, I can write crap and I'm ready to put in say 10 lakh rupees and you make bestseller. Sorry. You have to write a good product first. That is the step one. Second, you have to write a good content in a structural way, good editing. Second step. Third is the commitment, time commitment and financial commitment from both sides, publisher and your side. Then that book becomes bestseller. And it takes at least a year time to make a book a national bestseller.
So before publishing, like you mentioned just now, before going to publish the book,
we cannot hear you. Ma'am, we cannot hear you. Little bit louder.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah. So before publishing the book physically, if I want to go for like random, publishing or not publishing random, if I want to get it printed by you, some poetry or some short story, anything like that. So what's the way if I approach to retailers, how to approach?
If I understand your question correctly, because there was some noise there. So if I understand correctly, you are saying that before going for a big book publication, if I want to publish a short story or probably a small chunk of the story in a form of a short story or in a form of any kind of small publication, can I do that? Am I correct in understanding?
Kind of that thing, sir. Or I want to publish in any magazine or any like,
So in Story Mirror, we have this concept as called an anthology setup. And there are certain times when you write very good in a form of then every month you might have observed that every month we probably publish digital magazines, even though the magazine has not been saved properly, but at least there gives a lot of recognition, because we keep on getting reviews on those magazines, who has written good or who has written bad, etc. So we try to evaluate those authors based on those feedbacks. So first, try to get yourself evaluated by your dear ones, your friends, your family, all those people, and then try your hand in ebooks and then try your hand in physical books. That is the best methodology. But if you have already tried all those things prior, then you can go for physical books.
Okay, thank
then
you.
We can take up next question. P. Ganesh Kumar, how to send
I asked a question about literary agent in the chat. What is the difference between like a normal going for a publisher or going through a literary agent to the publisher, and how we can find out the proper literary agent for the genre we are writing and who are having good network, good connection?
Okay. Ma'am, can you tell your name, please? I could not get your name.
Sir, Priyanka.
Priyanka ji, now let's understand, everybody, very important question Priyanka ji asked. What is literary agent? Let's understand what is literary agent. Literary agent is an interface between publisher and author. Publisher यहाँ पर है, author यहाँ पर है, बीच का जो negotiation काम करते हैं, that is done by literary agent. Typically, literary agent was very prominent in 10 years back. They were very, very prominent because publishers are not easily approachable or publishers are not easily visible. So if author has to go for to approach a publisher, then they did not have website. They had offices in somewhere else, which is not easy to travel to that area. So in that way, you need a connect. So that connection was established through a literary agent. Now the era we are living in, you can directly connect to publishers. That is one point. Again, the role of literary agent is very interesting one. They do a lot of critical analysis of your book. Critical analysis means, say, for example, you have created a say I'm just giving a movie example, Bahubali movie. It is a big movie setup, and if you kill Bahubali by Kattappa, then it can create a new movie. Kattappa ने बाहुबली को क्यों मारा? पूरा 3 साल तक गाता रहा. Entire nation was singing that tune for 3 years. So these kind, why? Because this ending was completely in the cliffhanger. So literary agent has that abilities normally to understand your storyline, understand your plot, and understand your creativity and suggest some changes in your style. That this chapter should be first, this chapter should be second, this chapter should be third. Yeah, you are taken wrong. And so Story Mirror doesn't publish bad content, or Story Mirror doesn't publish a specific genre. I cannot approach Story Mirror. I will approach Penguin. They say I will approach Jaico because they are into something else. I will approach Rupa. I will approach Asset. I will approach Bloomsbury for children fantasy stories. So literary agent have the abilities, or probably they have the connection, understanding of the publishers. But in the era where we are living, their scope has been limited because already publishers are approachable through emails, through their websites. Everybody has created their own website. That is the point number one. Second point is that instead of approaching literary agents, you can always seek help of platforms like Story Mirror or similar platforms, or probably you can seek help from whoever is commenting on your storyline. You can approach the person. Sir or ma'am, can you also evaluate my book? You are appreciating so much. You say somebody has given you a lengthy comment on your story. That means he has become a fan. A good way or bad way, he has become your fan. So ask the person that can you be my critical evaluator of my storylines. So that job, then literary jobs requirement diminishes the value, means the requirement is diminishes. I'm not saying that they are not important. They are very, very important because they do that activities only. They are like storyboarding or storyboarding activities they do. Also, they help you in connecting to the befitting publishers for your particular book. But then second interesting aspect of literary agent, all your stories is a new story, for example, or your poetry is a new poetry, which doesn't exist until now. If it doesn't exist, then literary agent is also aware. For him also it is a new thing. So if it is a new thing, probably he will not get the right publisher as well. So that dilemma is also there. So that is a result. Sometimes through literary agent also, you have to pay them almost 10% of the deal fees sometimes, or sometimes you have to pay them 2 to 3 lakh rupees through 2 years time to get a right publishers. And publishers take your book free of cost because that is a traditional publish services. Sometimes in US, UK particularly, the literary agent, they take good amount of money. They take almost 15 to 20 lakh rupees even for literary agency work. Even J.K. Rowling book was published through a literary agent only. So there are literary agent, active literary agent there, but it is not a mandatory thing at the moment because every publishing house, they have a website. I hope that answers your question, Priyanka ji.
Sir, I have a question, sir. Since this session, this very useful session is getting recorded, sir, and your views are clearing our doubts, will it be shared on Story Mirror so that, sir, we can always refer back to what we have asked and how you have cleared our doubts?
Yeah, sure. We will try. We will try that. Not a problem.
Okay.
And my book, S.N. Roy's speech. In my book, one of my speeches was additional publisher in 2013 and was sold 800 copies. The agreement was for 5 years, and I retained audio rights of the book. Can SM take up the audio rights to publish the book again? In the latter case, would it be legal? It is be legal if you get them what is called NOC, no objection certificate from the existing publishers. You can get the things done from the existing publisher, then it will be legal, not a problem. And what are the conditions in the agreement of publication of an ebook? You have to read, because it varies from publisher to publisher. You have to read the conditions in the agreement. Dan Kushwa had asked this question. I have already subscribed to Story Mirror Publishing and my book is under my question. What is the joint marketing plan that Story Mirror can help? We have Kathe. You can connect to our team, marketing@storymirror.com or bibu@storymirror, which I have shared a few minutes back. We can discuss a lot of marketing, because we are one of the strong marketing funnels that we have created because of the brand presence and because the tie-ups that we have done through schools, colleges, corporates, and we have been periodically running writing challenges, and many of the authors like you who also help us in marketing stuffs. So that way, a lot of marketing activities can be done both in the using the power of technology, using the power of branding, using power of emails, WhatsApp, all those communications, social media, all those things can be done. What makes it, from future, what makes a good book good? Storyline, not mentioning the marketing, promotion, etc. Very, very good question. You must understand this the question by future. What is your name? Future, I don't think future is your name. If you can tell your name, right name, Future Ji, so it will be really helpful. So the question reads like this. I am repeating the question. What makes a good book a good, apart from the storyline? I will give the answer by quoting Mr. Mantu. Mantu is a Hindi writer. In case some of you might have heard about his name. His documentary movie was created sometime back by one of the prominent Bollywood actor. He always used to tell that I can influence one person in the entire world through my writing. I will not stop writing. If I can just influence one person in my life, anywhere in the world, I will not stop writing. And that holds true for any activities of a writer. So good book is good book if it can influence at least one person. That I want to quote. Future ji, आपका मुझे लग रहा है शिवांशी, okay, Shivanshi, okay. How much is the possibility that a short story writer can get chance to into OTT platform? It is not very easy, Amanpreet. It is not very easy. It is novels are mostly they take, even novels also they have been choosy. We have been approaching some of the OTT platform. They have shortlisted some of our books. But your stories, I have read some of your stories. I must say that your style, Amanpreet is one of the popular writers in Story Mirror, and his book was published in an anthology as well. I've been following his storyline as well. So I know that the style that you are writing, it can be expanded very easily to a novel. Very easily to a novel. You talk to us, we can help you, guide you, and there will be no cost associated in expanding your story into novel. We can discuss, and then we can even outline how much time one short story is there, how you can expand each of the part to become create a novel, and how many pages you have to write in a particular theme, particular plot, particular chapter, all those things. So you can you know me very well, so you can approach, and we can get your short story to expand it to novel, because they are not interested in the short story as of now. There is a MX Player is the platform. They are interested in short stories, and some of the small, very small OTT player, they are interested. But if I talk about Netflix, Amazon Prime, or Alt Balaji, or similar like G5, they are not interested at this short story at the moment. They might be interested in going forward. Typo question, S.N. Roy. What is the typo question? S.N. Roy. The book has been preserved for posterity, both in printed and digital format. Library of US Congress. Doesn't matter. Library that is still you can get it done. You just get to get that NOC certificate from your publishers. That's it. You do not require anything. And then review our stories for free. Does StoryMirror reviews our stories for free? Of course, yes. Your each and every story submitted on the platform, every month we receive almost 50,000 stories, and we select only 30,000 stories, means all others are removed from the platform. So we review each and every stories, and also your physical books we review, but we do not review entire book. We review only few chapters, so that because our time also is critical, so we cannot spend times in reviewing all the books. So we only review the few chapters, and it is all free of cost. I hope Asyaji that answers your question. And P. Ganesh Kumar, so how to send a book I wrote? Can I type in a Word file? You need to type in a Word file, particularly in Unicode format.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Unicode is the standard format. Now, sometimes in the Hindi language or other languages, we have a non-Unicode supported format, but it is very difficult to translate or to convert that into again Unicode, then do all those things. So we recommend that you provide the support in a Unicode format.
Yes, sir.
Anything on Google is a Unicode.
Yes.
Neeraj Pal wants to ask anything. Neeraj ji, but puchiye. Neeraj ji wants to ask anything. I think you have been. Neeraj ji, you want to ask anything?
यस सर, मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा था।
हाँ बोलिए ना।
कि एक्चुअल में जो पिछली साल ऑथर ऑफ द ईयर के लिए मुझे जो रॉयल्टी दी गई थी, तो अब उस समय कंटेंट्स कुछ कम मेरे पब्लिश हुए थे, तो इस साल मैं चाहता हूं कि मेरी बुक पब्लिश हो, तो उसके लिए क्या मुझको इसमें कुछ रिबेट मिलेगी?
ऑफ कोर्स मिलेगा। देखिए हमारा ऑथर ऑफ द ईयर, जो बंदे ऑथर ऑफ द ईयर है, दे आर लाइक मोस्ट रेस्पेक्टेड फॉर अस। एनीवन हु हैव बिकम ऑथर ऑफ द ईयर इन द क्रिटिक्स और इन द and the reader's choice, you always approach us. There will always rebate for you. Don't worry about that.
Thank you.
Design of Sasmita Sahu asks, does the designer of a book also helps to be a bestseller? Yes. Interesting questions. Yes, sometimes the creativity on the book cover page sells. Sometimes many times it is sells. It is not, but you should not be always dependent on your cover image, because even if it can be misleading, you can become hit for certain period of time, but to make it consistent bestseller, you have to write content better. What is OTT? OTT, anyone can tell the full form of OTT? It is the I am forgetting the full form of OTT. It is Amazon, Netflix, Amazon Prime, G5, all these things are called as OTT. So, okay, another
online platforms, sir. I think so.
Online movie platforms. You can say
online movie platforms. Yes.
Now, Akshat Garwal ji पूछते हैं, नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी जिन्ना मंटो जी का अपनी जिंदगी फिल्म में बैठा था. Yes, correct. I was forgetting his name. What kinds of book mostly liked by our Indians? Interesting question. Vishweshwar Kabde ji, if I am not pronouncing your name wrongly, sorry.
Vishweshwar Kabade.
Vishweshwar Kabade ji. So ये interesting चीज आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि ट्रेंड सेटर, ऑथर इज ए ट्रेंड सेटर. Any author is a trend setter. They set the trend, and trend setters do not follow any trend. I am repeating the sentence. Trend setters do not follow any trend. So what kind of books mostly liked by Indians? Indians are a very, very flexible, very, very acceptable community. They do not like any particular format. Few years back, say 7-8 years back, romance was hit. After that, mytho was hit. After that, suspense thriller was hit. Then mix was hit. So drama is hit. So it is not a standard protocol they have followed. And we are not talking about, say, 130 crore people will be reading your book. We are only talking about only 10,000 people will be reading your book as a national bestseller, bare minimum. So you should not be worried
OTT का
about.
मतलब
हाँ बोलिए सर. So it is
over the top.
over the top. Okay. OTT में
Over the top TOP.
Over the top. Okay.
Yes sir. OTT का मतलब.
So this is where you need not to be bothered about what people like. People, if you are like writing what people likes, that means you are not writing a Kala Joy writing or time immemorial writing. Time immemorial writing means it will be read today, it will be read tomorrow, it will be read after 100 years even. Always, as an author, you have to believe in that strongly. That I am a responsible person, like a father, like a brother, big brother, like a mother, like a corporate senior corporate guys. You have certain responsibility, right? You always exhibit a responsibility. I cannot tell lies to my kids. I cannot do certain mistakes in my life because my corporate career will be hampered. Similarly, when you are writing something, you have to think that I will not disappoint 100 years after I am dead through my writings. So you should, if that thought process there, you will always feel, you will always write good things. Every human being, they can write excellently. Hope that answers your question, sir.
Yes, thank you, sir. Yes, thank you.
मैंने बहुत विधाय दिनेश कुमार गुप्ता जी कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं. मेरा थोड़ा हिंदी पढ़ना, मैंने हिंदी पढ़ा लिखा नहीं हूँ, तो प्लीज माफ कर दीजिएगा. मैं टीवी देखकर, मूवी देखकर हिंदी बनाया गया है, तो मुझे थोड़ा तकलीफ हो जाता है. मैंने बहुत कुछ लिखा है, लेकिन मैं उनका मूल्यांकन नहीं कर पाया हूँ कि और भेज भी लिख लिए. आप कुछ मदद कर सकते हैं. मूल्यांकन में भी बोल रहे हो ना, उसका कुछ स्टोरी को लीजिए, प्लेटफॉर्म में डालिए ना. स्टोरी में प्लेटफॉर्म आपके लिए तो फ्री है, आप ही क्या प्लेटफॉर्म है, उस पर डालिए. तो फिर उसके बाद मूल्यांकन कौन करेगा? पहला मूल्यांकन, अगर आप, आई एम नॉट श्योर वेदर यू आर मैरिड और नॉट. दिनेश जी, आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट यू आर मैरिड, सो दैट थिंग टू योर वाइफ.
No, sir, I am not married.
मैरिड तो गर्लफ्रेंड तो होगा आपका?
No, not married.
गर्लफ्रेंड है कि नहीं?
Sir, she is have, but she is not interested in literature, sir.
अरे पढ़ाइए, बोले कि भाई एक कथाकार से आप पढ़ रहे हो, मतलब बॉयफ्रेंड बनाया तो करो.
गजल तक तो मेरा पढ़ लेती है, गजल या पोएम्स पढ़ लेती है, बट स्टोरीज मेरी काफी लंबी हो जाती हैं, तो वो उसे पढ़ने में बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है नहीं.
फ्रेंड तो कुछ तो फ्रेंड तो होंगे, दोस्त तो
हाँ, दोस्त तो है सर, उन्होंने पढ़ा है, उन्होंने कहा है अच्छा है, ऐसा तो कहते हैं वो.
हो गया. 10 लोग चाहिए आपको, सिर्फ 10 लोग, अलग अलग टाइप का लोग. एज ग्रुप अलग अलग रखिए. एक यंग मास रखिए, एक बड़ा बंदा रखिए, एक बूढ़ा बंदा रखिए, एक वुमेन रखिए, एक मेन रखिए. तो ऐसे करके 10 types of people you choose, then ask them to read, so that you have got sample space from all aspect. If you want to more sample space, you can even ask others, like 10 को 25 कर दीजिए. जबरदस्ती पढ़ाइए ना, बेशरम बन जाइए. अगर ऑथर बनना है ना, ऑथर का पहला सबक है कि आपको लोगों को पुश करना पड़ेगा. मैं भाई ऑथर हूँ, मेरा बुक ले लो. तो बेशरम, थोड़ा सा बेशरमी चाहिए. तो बेशरमी चाहिए तो
ये नहीं कर पाता हूँ मैं सर.
तो वही बोल रहा हूँ ना. अगर आप बोलेंगे मैं सपना देखेंगे भारत का प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनना है, आप बोलेंगे मैं स्पीच नहीं दे सकता, क्या होगा? कैसे प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनेंगे? स्पीच देना पड़ेगा, सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा, पॉलिटिक्स के पॉलिटी हाथ धोना पड़ेगा. सो सिमिलरली ऑथर मतलब आपको बेस्ट सेलर बनना है. अगर आपको एग्जांपल दूं, some of the India's #1 bestsellers, I will not quote his name, but you can guess whom I am talking about. They have gone to second-hand bookshops, continuously waiting there for almost 2-3 days at a stretch. लोगों को बेचे है कि सर मेरा बुक आया है, पहला बुक आया है, मुझसे ले लो. 2 बुक लोगे तो मैं तीसरा बुक फ्री दूंगा. And they were bankers, extremely, मतलब big bankers थे. मैं 2-3 ऑथर का नाम बोलना चाहूंगा, मतलब नाम नहीं लूंगा, बट यू कैन गेस. दे आर #1, #2 ऑथर्स एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इंडिया. तो बेशर्म में अगर नहीं करोगे, मैं बोल रहा हूं आपका ट्रांजिशन हो रहा है. आप बोलोगे मैं क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन नहीं पढ़ूंगा, 10th पास कर जाऊंगा. मैं √2 एज ए इरेशनल नंबर नहीं पढ़ूंगा, आई विल गेट पास द एग्जामिनेशन. अब मैं अलजेब्रा नहीं करूंगा तो होगा नहीं ना. सिमिलरली एस्पिरेशन नीड्स टू बी बैक्ड बाय एफर्ट. Effort has to start.
सर मुझे दूसरी समस्या,
हाँ बोलिए.
सुन पा रहे सर आप?
यस सुन पा रहे.
हाँ, मेरी समस्या सर ये है कि मैं ये समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ कि मैं शुरुआत कहाँ से करूँ। जैसे सर मेरा पोएम का भी कलेक्शन काफ़ी है, दूसरे में शॉर्ट स्टोरीज का कलेक्शन काफ़ी है और एक मैं किताब भी लिख रहा हूँ। तो मैं एक टाइम में मैं तीनों को कर रहा था एक्चुअली। तो किताब को तो मैंने सर 90-95 पेज लिख के छोड़ दिया था एक्चुअली। क्योंकि सर अभी मैं जॉब में आ गया तो टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा था, इसलिए जो वो नोवेल तो छोड़ दिया था। बट यहाँ पे ब्रेक्स में मैं पोएम्स तो लिख पा रहा हूँ। तो अभी बेसिकली गजल्स और कविताएं ही लिख रहा हूँ सर।
मैं
तो
आपको
मुझे
बढ़िया
समझ में नहीं
सा
मैं
example
शुरू
दे रहा
कहाँ
हूँ।
से करूँ?
मैं अपना एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, खुद का एग्जांपल दूंगा, फिर स्टीफन किंग का एग्जांपल दूंगा, फिर आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा, योर क्वेश्चन विल बी आंसर्ड. आई होप एवरीबॉडी इज hearing carefully. Very, very important question, answer I am giving you here.
Yes, sir.
When I started my novel, that time my house to office distance was 37 kilometers one way. तो अरे बॉम्बे में रहते हैं, तो बॉम्बे में जो those who are in Bombay, they can always tell that it is 37 kilometers mean 2 hours one way journey. Every time I used to travel 4 hours in the travel, and my office was demanding 12 hours a day, 12 to 13 hours a day. That is a must standard. Otherwise, you will lose your job because algo trading is like that. 12 to 15 hours office में जाता था, 12 hours तो minimum ही जाता था. Then 12 plus 4, 16 hours done. And I had started also the company because I was convinced that I will start a company because there was no point. So in company setup, there was 3 to 4 hours spent also in starting up the company. And at the same time, I was writing a book. I was sleeping just 1 hour daily for entire year. Daily 365 days. I survived. I am talking to you right now. So what it says, what did the answer gives the answer? If you really believe in yourself, if you believe that you can achieve the goal, then you will see that magic will happen to you. You will, from a normal human being, you will start behaving something else. अचानक आपके अंदर पावर आएगा, आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कहां से पावर आएगा, बट आएगा. क्योंकि जब कोई बंदा आपके, if somebody is giving you pain, then they will give you courage as well. Somebody giving you birth, they will give you food. Don't worry about food. Food will automatically come to you. Similarly, if a creation has been given to you or story plot has been given to you, then it will happen to you automatically. Then next interesting group, next interesting thing is, I will take, this is my example. I will talk another example called Stephen King. He writes 500-page novel with 2 iteration editing. He does in a 25 days time. He has written over 100 plus 100 क्या 200 plus novels लिख चुके शायद. So कैसे ये होता है? How it is happens? Because he wakes up. If I talk about Stephen King, he wakes up at 4 a.m., 5 a.m. and non-stop he works like as if a corporate guy. He works till 6 or 7 p.m. in the night, and खाना पीना सब सामने मिल जाता है. So if you are believing that you would become something, the first step is to motivate yourself. Why your girlfriend has not read your books? Force करिए, नहीं मुझे कुछ भी कीमत पे, he is my target audience. May I will convince her. It is whether she likes or dislikes, but I will convince her to read the book. मेरे टाइम पे I almost disturbed all my professional colleagues. लंच में कोई मुझे मिल गया तो मैं बोलूंगा भाई मेरा स्टोरी है, ये सुनेगा क्या? मुझे लोग भागते थे, डरते थे, अरे ये क्या चाटू आ गया, चलेगा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. You have to, because we are aspiring something big. They are not understanding what we are aspiring. It is your.
Sir, we have to market our brand as well, sir.
Exactly. So this is, so if you are not committed to this level at which you can transform yourself, then you will not achieve that kind of success that you deserve. You deserve much better things in your life. Everyone out here deserves much better things in our life. Only thing is that we do not realize that we are so much of capable, and we die, we meet our death, but we do not realize the true power of ourselves. So मेरा रहेगा कि let's try, and to answer your question, you had asked about poetry लिखा हूँ, short story लिखा हूँ, novel लिखा हूँ. So sellability in India is more in favor of novels, followed by short story, followed by poetry. Poetry में Sayari sells most, then normal poetry sells later. And but at the same time, we have been able to sell poetry books 10,000 copies in India. Probably we are the first ones. Nobody has done that before, in at least except for those Hindi poetry books by Amitabh Bachchan's father, Harivansh Rai Bachchan. It was sold a lot of copies. But other than that, poetry books in contemporary, probably we are the first ones we have sold so many copies in the poetry genre itself. So that requires some kind of narrative pagination, some emotions. Even some of the poetry books in the international sphere, like Lang Live or Rupi Kaur, they sell million copies, poetry books. So everything sells. Only thing is that methodology sometimes changes, varies from state to state, country to country, and how much author is passionate. If author is passionate to make things happen, it will happen. Nobody can stop. Nobody can stop. But desire should not die with time. मैं आज मन कर, जैसे हम लोग बोलते आइडिया आ गया, रात को पानी पी लिया, सो लिया, सुबह उठ गया, आइडिया खत्म. एक था राजा, एक था रानी, मतलब दोनों मर गए, खत्म हुई कहानी. तो ये अप्रोच रहना नहीं चाहिए लाइफ का. लाइफ का अप्रोच होना चाहिए, आई एम देयर, I will not die as a common man. I am born as a common man. But if I am dying as a common man, then problem with you, not anybody else. Circumstances सब अच्छे होते. Every circumstances is very, very good. अफगानिस्तान में पैदा होकर भी आप बड़े बन सकते हो. Only thing is that you have to know, you have to try, and you have to keep on trying. So I think we are coming to closer, but there are some questions, and I think we need to stop probably. But because we are already 2 o'clock and I have another meeting at 2. So any last minute question I will take. So if my content is virtual platform is copied by someone else, can it be case of copyright issues? Someone work is based on my work. Yes, of course, Shivanshi, it is a plagiarism. That is called theft, not plagiarism. That is called theft. Real word is theft. And it happens in digital platforms most of the times. But we at Story Mirror try to prevent as much as possible, but still it is not 100% true. We are coming up with maybe it will take a year time, because we are creating blockchain based solution. It will take a year time, and then only we will able to say we are able to 100% plagiarism. But it is really tough. Until now it is not 100% true, but we try to blacklist those authors who are plagiarizing the work. Yes, we take periodically, we take a lot of actions. Sibal Rai ji, sorry, I could not take up your question because I did not realize that it is 1 hour 59. So I have to rush for another meeting. Extremely sorry about that. So we can, since you have, I am just sharing my mail ID. So all of you, you can ask questions to this email ID, Story Mirror, and marketing@storymirror.com. Whichever ID you are comfortable with, you can send. Okay? So I hope it was a nice interaction, and I tried to create that inquisitiveness among all of you. 33 people still there.
Thank you very much
you,
for
sir.
your valuable guidance, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for your guidance.
It is my pleasure. We want to create a lot of authors in India. We are so many engineers, but authors are less, and the world can change better, or India can change to a better place if more authors are created.
Sir, I am very privileged to be a part of Story Mirror, sir. Thanks to you and the Story Mirror team. Kindly convey my best regards to them as well, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you for your time and good wishes. Thank you.
It was very informative and very nice session. I'm Naila Hina from Pakistan, and literary captain. Yeah.
Someone joined
On
from
Story Mirror.
Pakistan. Wow, it really feels great.
I follow you on Goodreads also, and I'm author of 30 books, and I published it in 1 year.
Wow, great.
From 2020 to 21. Yeah.
That is so nice of you that someone from Pakistan have joined. Because it is through stories only we can bridge the gap between two nations. That otherwise the political drama will be always be there.
Bilkul.
Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for your precious time listening to me. And I am not a good
Thank you so much, sir.
I am a very, very bad speaker, but still you have given your time. So I'm thankful to all of you.
Welcome, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.